there's no one above me. I look in the mirror, see how I'm lucky, won't trigger the fibro. Barely can trust me, I feel like a hero, man, no one can touch me. Eyes on the prize, I got no other thoughts. I draw the line and I'm running across. Won't ever pull up or get to the ball. I'm lucky, just do it, I run like a star. Wait, moving fast, get up and think of the bands. Nigga, I'm moving too fast, I've been thinking about this when I call my trust. Feeling fantastic, got some new fabric, blow my classic. Watch y'all snapping, most of your plastic. Come on, we got it, yeah. Get a new gadget, go panic, got the left the face. What did I have it, but like a Catholic, coming out Latin space. Flag up, get this shit on my stats. Fuck up on the new Mac truck. Running in the road like fuck. 24/7, my cash stays up. Leave the pretending it's never false. Need motivation, can stand on the roof. Open your mouth for the party shit. They don't want static, please don't call me on tactics. Scream with an antics. You niggas pass it, need more practice. Coming my love like a class for you. Scar short now with a shot for you. That's like yo, that's Scarlet. Why you screaming and moving up at the you're so fast, you're coming to me. Why? Stop dancing, laugh for glass. Wanna play my fashion shit. You look trash out the gate. I'm humbled anyways. I ain't fed the game. So many G's before me. If you wanna hate, then hate, yeah. Take a step in on my mind and you'll see that I never take back the structure that we back. You better get based on my language and freestyle. We have to respect it, but I don't see that why. I don't try, this shit's not my style. I ain't satisfied, I ain't in denial. Yeah, I'm fucking wild, but yet I got the title. Like a fucking job, I'm the biggest night. I'm fucking like that, I'm a like that. The biggest night, I'm fucking like that. I'm fucking like that, I'm a like that. Watch me, watch me, I got it. Fucking hell. Self-isolation got me fucked. Head's gone. What day is it?